In this video, you'll learn how to turn off Claude AI notifications so you can work without constant pings or visual distractions. If you've been getting little alerts every time a response finishes and you'd rather keep things quiet, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to change and where to find it. Let's start from the main Claude interface. Make sure you're signed in and looking at your usual chat screen where you see your conversations on the side and the message box at the bottom. We're going to make all of our changes from here, so there's no need to open any extra pages or menus beyond what I describe. First, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a simple avatar, or another small image that represents your account. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is the main doorway into your account controls and app preferences. When you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option labeled Settings. This will open up a panel or page that lets you configure how Claude behaves for your account. If you don't see settings right away, move your mouse slowly over the options to make sure you're not missing it, but it should be visible in that first drop-down. Once you've opened settings, you'll see several sections or tabs along the top or side, depending on your layout. Here you want to make sure you're in the General tab. If you're not already there, simply click on General. This section is where most of the everyday preferences live, including the notification control we're looking for. Inside the General tab, you'll need to scroll down a bit, take your time, and move down the page until you find a section labeled Notifications. This area controls how Claude lets you know when certain actions are completed, such as when a response finishes generating. Within the notification section, look specifically for an option called Response Completions. Next to it, you'll see a toggle switch. If notifications are currently enabled, that toggle will be in the ON position. To turn off those browser pings and visual alerts, simply click that toggle so it moves to the off position. Once you've switched response completions to off, the change usually takes effect right away. There's no need to save or confirm anything else in most cases. From this point on, you should no longer receive those completion alerts when Claude finishes generating a response in your browser. If you ever decide you miss those notifications, you can come back to this exact same place and turn response completions back on with a single click. It's a reversible change, so you can experiment with what feels best for your workflow. That's all you need to do. You clicked your profile icon in the bottom left corner, opened settings, went to the General tab, scrolled down to notifications, and toggled response completions off. With that done, you can keep using Claude without the extra interruptions, while still having full control if you ever want to adjust your notification preferences again.